Hi, welcome to Aeryn Toy Watch. Today we're going to do giant Poopsie surprise.
Show the front of it.
This is so big, but let's get started.
What's inside it, Aeryn?
I don't know.
Look, it says 20 magic surprises. 20 plus magic surprises.
Okay, let's get Now we're going to open the top. That was easy. Oh guys, there's something right here. It's it though. Now look. Open it. This is how you unlock. Something stuck. It's heavy. No worries.
It goes all the way around. Keep going. Oh, look at all those surprises they're falling.
Only one.
One more fell.
Help me, Daddy. One is stuck on there. Let's get all of that.
Uh-oh, it looks like you were supposed to take it apart slowly. It says, what was in those bags?
Let's open this. To you. We will need scissors for this unicorn. What are these? Guys, if you know what these are. Oh, this one is unicorn sparkle. This one is unicorn magic. Come on, unicorn. Now what's in this? Oh, I know what to do with this. You have to feed it. I guess I have to feed it.
There's instructions. And these things really do poop because this is a giant toilet for the unicorn.
Oh, there's a diaper for the unicorn. See, there's a diaper for the unicorn. Look, there's a diaper for the unicorn. Guys, look, there's a diaper for the unicorn. That's funny. And here's for
And here's her unicorn.
And it's giant.
She has a push button on her stomach. I'm guessing that's where she poops. She has a tattoo on her arm. And this is where you load the slime for her to poop. Well, her other arm has tattoos too.
Oh, I know what this bowl is for. For we can make slime.
That bowl is the toilet bowl.
No, it's...
Yes, it is. It goes in there.
Now I'm going to put her knife.
Open the bags first.
Okay.
And then we'll make the poop. Unicorn Shimmer. Doesn't say what her name is though.
I'm going to name her Pinky. I'm going to name her Pinky. Can you open this? It's hard.
Inside there was 4 more packets. So I guess they give you extra packets of unicorn shimmer poop.
Can't open this.
Whoa,
I can't
what
open
is this?
one.
More poop?
Guys, we forgot another unicorn.
That says unicorn magic.
There's 2 unicorn magic.
And this is unicorn food, 4 packets of that.
Oh, we have to put it in here, but somehow we can't.
We will figure it out. Because there is a set of instructions we have to follow. So open all the mystery bags.
Guys, this one is hard because
You got an angry cloud hairbrush.
we got a shirt.
What's the shirt say?
It says, "Don't stop believing." Don't stop believing. Here's the mold.
Keychain.
Keychain. Wait, is that all of them? Yep, that's all the baskets. Now let's put her. So guys, let's put her clothes on because I don't like her naked. Okay, this is going to be hard. Got it? But the diapers will be harder. Guys, the diaper's hard. Daddy, can you help me put the diaper on?
Don't stop believing. Drop something.
Okay, guys, Now let's make her family Dollar Tree. Is now we have to feed her, but we need the unicorn food in here. Okay.
Okay, the first step is tear open 1 packet of unicorn shimmer and pour it into 1 toilet bowl.
Where's the unicorn shimmer? Oh.
Now to make the unicorn's food. First we need to
get a pack of unicorn
shimmer. Get the toilet bowl out of the toilet. Open it up. Pour it in the bowl. Ooh, that's all glittery. Come on. Look at the glitter. Look at all that glitter. Next, we need the spoon. Use the spoon to scoop up the unicorn shimmer. Okay, push. Okay, hold on. Let me see the unicorn. Well, she can't have her shirt on because we can't do. Oh yeah, we can. Okay. It says to push and rotate the dial on the unicorn's back to the feeding position until it clicks into place. Like that. Okay, hold her. Go to step 4. Insert the spoon fully into the unicorn's mouth and press it against the back of its throat to feed it. Repeat until the unicorn has been fed all the unicorn shimmer. So we'll just do this. And like that. A couple more scoops. Be careful. You got it all over. A little more. Whoops. Still getting all over. Okay. Step 5. Fill the measuring cup with water up to the lower level, 5 ml, and pour it into the toilet bowl. Whoops, a little too much. Hold on, Aeryn. Pour a little too much. See, hold on, we might have to have more. Don't touch. Move your hand, baby. Alright, that looks good. And wait. And pour it into the toilet bowl. Use a spoon to feed the unicorn all of the tap water. So, hold it like that. Maybe lean her a little bit, like that. Hold it like that. Let's see if that works. This is messy. This is more messy than the bouncy ball. That's a lot of water. This is a lot. We only did what we were supposed to. Still more. Okay, we are going to go to step 6. Place the toilet bowl in the toilet.
Look, guys.
On to step 7. Twist off the lid from the bottle. Open 1 packet of unicorn food and pour it into the bottle. Unicorn food. you can pour it. Let me open it. Hopefully it doesn't get all over the place. There we go. Here, pour it in there.
Is it a little bit or the whole thing?
It says the whole packet. Is it all of it? Let me see. Alright. Then fill the measuring cup to the top fill line with tap water. This one. There. Pour the tap water, pour it into the bottle, then tightly close the lid. Close the lid. With one finger covering the straw opening, hold the bottle tightly and rapidly shake the bottle up and down for 30 seconds. Do not exceed 2 minutes when mixing. That should be long enough. Okay, I'll insert the straw fully into the unicorn's mouth and squeeze the bottle. Hold on, I gotta hold it up right for you. Squeeze the bottle until it is empty. Is anything going in there? Hold on, Aeryn. Put it down, maybe. Is anything? Still on there.
I think we have to tip it.
Yeah, squeeze. Hold on, I see some coming out of the. Oh, crap, it didn't work. Oh no, it didn't work.
Ooh.
Whoops, we're making a mess. We'll pour it in her mouth. Slowly. Try to get it in her mouth. There we go. This is messy, guys. Alright. Let's see what step 13 is. Push and rotate the dial on the back of the unit. She's peeing already?
Now we have to get in the cover.
Remove the unicorn's. Wait. Push and rotate the dial on the back for like a cartwheel for 15 seconds. Remove the unicorn's diaper, move the legs outward, and place the unicorn on the toilet.
Oh my god.
We'll wash it. Press the heart of the belly button to see the unicorn poop. We'll see if it still works. Come on. Come on. Let's see if it works. She pooped? She's pooping. Press the heart of the belly button to see the unicorn poop. Allow the slime to sit in the toilet bowl for 10 to 15 minutes or until the slime reaches the desired consistency. Then stir with the spoon to mix any remaining water. Add half a packet of unicorn magic to the slime. Then open the unicorn sparkle and add it to the slime. Continue adding as much of each desired fold and pull the slime over and over.
Guys, this could get really messy. Don't do it at home.
Well,
Real.
that's all the slime we got because the water leaked on her. See if we can get any more out.
There's a little bit more.
Alright, pour it in there.
Come on. It's like stuck in it.
We're gonna have to clean her out too. Whoops. there's not that much. It's all over the diaper though.
And my hand.
Well, this was messy. So 10 to 15 minutes. We'll wait.
You have to get
Open the keychain container by removing the cover on the bottom of the keychain. Store the slime inside the keychain container, then replace the cover. Add your keychain to your own accessories. Press the opening of the clip firmly against the keyring. You see? Oh, there's a little storage inside the Poopsie. And okay, allow the slime to sit in the toilet bowl for 10 to 15 minutes or until the slime reaches the desired consistency. Okay, I'm pretty sure that slime is looking good already because look at that, it already looks like slime. And it says add half a packet of the unicorn magic. We'll only use a quarter since there's not that much unicorn poop. If I can open it. Oh wait, unicorn sparkle. What's the unicorn sparkle for? Did I open the wrong one? Unicorn magic. I got the right one. Yeah, I got the right one. Whoa, look at that go. Just pour a little of that in there. I have to get a Ziploc baggie for that for later. See, there's unicorn magic. Mix it. And we have glittery slime. Here, mix it. Oh, this is a cleaning brush. Cleaning brush for the unicorn. No, the unicorn. And then we have to open the back of the unicorn to clean her. So we have to take her shirt off, clean her diaper. Hold on, we might have some more unicorn poop in here. Glitter, there. Did it?
Please don't actually use that.
There's more in here. There you go. Is it good? Yeah, stretch it together. Store it. Store it inside your little unicorn Poopsie. Click the container. And you're done.
And there's another one that we'll do on another show. Because this one was fun. Bye. Thanks for watching Aeryn's Toy Watch.